kitchen, the heart of every home, can significantly impact our environment. As climate change concerns grow, adopting eco-friendly cooking practices is crucial. Our kitchens are filled with items that affect the earth. By choosing sustainable options, like reusable versions of disposables, we can reduce our environmental footprint. Here are 7 switches for a greener kitchen. First, replace paper towels with reusable kitchen cloths made from cotton or Swedish dishcloths. These absorbent, biodegradable cloths reduce paper towel use significantly. Next, switch from paper coffee filters to stainless steel mesh or a French press to minimize waste. Coffee lovers can be earth heroes through such simple acts. Consider bamboo cooking utensils over plastic ones. Bamboo is sustainable, biodegradable, and doesn't harm your health. A bamboo cutting board is also an elegant, long-lasting choice. Opt for non-toxic ceramic pots instead of aluminum non-stick cookware. The aluminum industry is a big greenhouse gas emitter. Ceramic cookware is free of harmful chemicals and metals. Use glass food containers instead of plastic. Glass jars are great for storing various foods and are easy to clean. For freezing, use freezer-safe models with wide mouths. Replace single-use plastic produce bags with eco bags made from cotton, hemp, or other sustainable materials. These bags are generally more earth-friendly and emit fewer pollutants. Finally, use a kitchen compost bin for food scraps. Compost can be used to enrich your vegetable garden, reducing waste and environmental impact. Choosing eco-friendly kitchen supplies reduces waste and promotes sustainability. Every small step, like picking eco-friendly products, helps save our world for future generations. By starting with ourselves, we can inspire others to do the same.